Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to set up a PayPal account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To set up a PayPal account, the first thing you'll need to do is to click open a web browser. Setting up a PayPal account is simple. Simply go ahead and type in the URL www.paypal.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of PayPal. In order to create a new account on PayPal, you'll need to go and click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. Select your country or your region from the drop down and click on Get Started. Type in your mobile number on the next page and click on Next. Confirm your phone number by entering the code that has been sent to your mobile number in the text boxes. After you're done, you'll be taken to your next page. Here, you can go ahead and set up your profile by entering your informations. Enter an email address in the text box. Now, enter your first name on the next text field. Type in the middle name if available, and then type in your last name on the next. Create a password for your account that you would like to use for your PayPal. Make sure to type in the correct one and retype in your password in the next text box to confirm that you're typing in the right password. Now, after both of the passwords match, you'll be able to see a green tick mark on the either side of the boxes and click Next. Add your address information on the next page. Choose your nationality, type in your address line, and you can also type in the other address line into the address line 2 text box if available. After you're done, enter your date of birth. The rest of the boxes will be filled in itself. Type in your date of birth and click on this box at the bottom to agree to the terms and services of PayPal. You can also choose to activate One Touch by clicking on this box right here. After you're done, click on Agree and Create Account, and your account will be created. Now you can shop with PayPal, send payments to your friends or families, and much more. Click on one of the options and link a card to send money on PayPal. Enter your credit card number, select your credit card type from the drop down, type in your expiration date, enter the security code at the back of your card, and click on Link Card at the bottom. After you do that, this will link your PayPal account to a bank account you can deposit or withdraw money from. You can now go ahead and upload a picture of your own by clicking on Add a Photo. Click on Update Photo from your account section. Choose a photo from your gallery by clicking on Add a Photo, and click on Use this photo to confirm your picture. From the same page, go to the email address section and click on Confirm right next to your email. Click Confirm this email one more time, and you'll need to go check your email to confirm and verify PayPal with your email address. Click Open the email and click on the link that has been sent with your email. Type in your password one more time and click on Confirm email address. And with this, you have successfully set up a PayPal account and you are good to go. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.